When our customers are happy, we're happy. And when they write to tell us why they're so excited, we get excited to share it. They were so impressed about the great customer service they received, they went online and left this review. This review is a powerful testament to our policies and procedures that ensure every customer gets a 5-star experience with us. As you can see, we truly appreciate our valued customers by paying attention to their needs and putting them first each and every time. And the feedback keeps coming to prove it. One of the keys to our success is that we place our focus on our customers. It's how we earn our great reviews and how we'll earn yours. Thank you for dropping in today. We're looking forward to doing business with you. We're only one call away from serving you.